Creation for our chickens. So you see I suspended some old kale for them from the ceiling, so it's kind of like a toy to them. And the reason I did that is because there's tons of those eggs on the leaves there, if you can see them. I think they're from the white butterfly things that fly around. Yeah, my mom always called them cauliflower moths. So we don't eat those, of course, in our salad, but they do in their salad. And then the protein gives us these little beautiful eggs. So, just another example of living frugal and economical in our urban farm.